Yo, what's good guys? It's Bryce back at it again with another video for you guys. So, like always guys, if it is your first time here, you want to know how to get better at basketball and see my journey to the league, then as always be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any future content. Okay guys, so for today's video, what I got for you guys is shooting stretches to increase your guys' fluidity and range on your jump shot. So the reason why this is so is because a lot of players have a lot of tension in their upper body and they don't even realize it, and when you have a tension in your upper body, it can sometimes limit your fluidity and range of the basketball. So by doing these stretches, they will definitely increase your range and fluidity and help you to better shoot a basketball without having so much tension in your upper body. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it with drill number one. So drill number one is called the wrist stretch. So for this drill, it's pretty simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with whatever wrist you want to start off first, and you're going to have the wrist out in front of you like this. Then you're going to turn your wrist so it's down like this, and you're going to take your other hand and pull it back just like that. So for this drill, we're going to be doing this for 30 seconds for each arm. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with this first shooting stretch. Let's get to it. Alright, nice job guys. Now let's go ahead and move on with our second shooting stretch. So this second shooting stretch is called the shoulder pull. For the shoulder pull stretch, you're going to need your basketball for this one. But essentially what you're going to do is you're going to start off with whichever arm first. So if I'm stretching my left arm first, I'm going to have my right arm go around like this, and I'm going to pull my shoulder just like that. So it's almost like you start in this position, then you rotate it, and then you're pulling. So you should feel a stretch right here. So if I were to quickly demonstrate with the right hand this time, you're gonna put it straight in front of you, twist, and then you're just pulling that shoulder. So feel a nice stretch there. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do the stretch again for 30 seconds on both shoulders, and then we'll move on with our next drill. So without further ado, let's go ahead and complete this second drill. Let's get to it. nice job, guys. Now let's go ahead and move on with our third shooting stretch. This third drill is called the tricep stretch. So for this drill, essentially what you're gonna do, depending on which arm you start off first, I'm gonna start off with my right first. And essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the ball in your right hand and you're gonna pull it back like this. So almost like if you were shooting, but it's going way behind your head, while this is pushing back. So you're pushing back. So here's a side view. You're pushing back on the ball to get a better stretch. So if I were to show you on the left side, you're just pushing back like that. And you should feel a nice stretch in your tricep on both sides. But anyways, for this drill, we're going to be doing this for 30 seconds on both sides. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this third shooting stretch completed. Let's get to it. Alright guys, that is gonna cover today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up because it helps the channel out and it motivates me to make more videos just like this. So stay tuned for the weekly videos coming out every single Friday, so stay tuned for those unless I say otherwise. And yeah, that's about all I have for you guys. So y'all have a great rest of your day. And I'm out.